all day. Let's go. And here we go, pushing across the sandbar. Fish on. Feels like a red. Alright guys, the birds are diving over here for getting bait. So I'm gonna pull up and stop right here and see if we can't hook into some ladyfish feeding on whatever bait fish that is. These pesky little turds, all around. It's hard to catch a fish with these guys. They want to steal it. Look, I'm looking down underneath for the fish. Good Lord. So I know that the fish are not up in the shade up underneath the mangroves. They're out here sunning, and they're going for that brown bottom right there. It's got a mud bottom. So I'm gonna, and that's a good ambush. Looks like a good ambush point right there on that point. So I'm gonna throw it right there on that point. It's close to the mangroves. Yep, right there in the sun. And see if I can't hook into a redfish or a snook. See some mullet around, so you know how that goes. Usually when there's mullet, you know, the redfish follow. Snook feed on the mullet as well. So we'll see what happens. Fish on. Feels like a red. What we got here? Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Okay, come on. Okay, he's mad. Come on, boy. See if I can get him. All right. Okay. There he goes. Not a very big guy, but all right. Now I know that. Look at that, guys. Got him right there in the corner of the mouth. That circle hook. Best way to go, in my opinion. Look at that. He's probably 20, 21, I'm guessing. We're going to throw him back. There he goes. That is in there. Come on, let's go, let's go. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Okay. Oh yeah. Big red. Oh. Come on, boy. He's right there on the mangrove line right there. You see him, y'all? Oh. Just dropped anchor too. Come on. Big red. Big bad. Oh, there he goes. Big bad red. All right. Just where I suspected they were. Thank God I didn't give up. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. See him? Right there. Almost ready. He's almost ready. There he is on top. Oh. In that direction. Okay. He's not ready to give up yet. Oh, come on. Come on. I want you over here. Oh man, look at that. Beautiful. Wham! Oh, he might be too big. Come on, be 27 on the money. A hair under. I think he's gonna be over. Damn it. All right. Yeah, that's all right. I wanted to take one home today. Maybe there's more in there, we'll see. Okay. Oh yeah, there's a whole school of them here. Okay. All right. Grab the anchor. All right. Boy. All right. I'll take that all day. Look at that, guys. Hopefully the sun's on them real good. Yeah. Let's go. Got them on a cut ladyfish. The wind, probably about, I don't know, I'm guessing anywhere from 16 to 18 knots. But incoming tide, almost slack. There it is, guys. One for the cooler. Look at that, guys. Nope, he's not 27. He is 25. 25-inch red. Oh, it's a moped. Fun to ride, but don't tell your buddies. Look at that. Dang it. My boy is still alive. Check him out. Almost have to change batteries here in a second. And here we go, pushing across the sandbar. As soon as we get across the sandbar, we'll be able to get out into Bunce's Pass. Take a little shortcut. We could have went left, could have went right. But I want to save the battery. I got another 10 miles to go. I think I went about 2 miles. This is about a 10-12 mile trip. So one pop, 2 pop, 3 pop, fish on. Fish on. All right, come on, let's go. He's swimming right at me too. There he is. Boom, what we got? There he is. Oh. Into the boat. Come on. Little tiny little trout. But there is a mess of them. So we'll throw over here, see what happens. Bam, fish on. Fish on. All right. There. Nothing to write home about. But if there's this many of them in there, you know Big Daddy's in there somewhere. So we'll see if we can't find him. Hey, fishy, fishy, fishy. I'm just erratic, doing all kinds of stuff. He's kind of swimming this way. I got him. Fish on. Here, buddy. And there he is. Found a trout on the slow tide. Incoming, very slow. Let him calm down a second. Still back over there. Let's see if we can't do the same exact thing. Ready? Tap. There it is. There it is. There it is. And there he goes. There they are, guys. All right, and another one. And another one. There he is. Let's go. Some of you guys have asked me before, like, why I fish with my reel upside down and like how do you catch fish like that and all that. It's just one of those things you learn after fishing for many years. You just hook a fish and you got to know how to dump it in your hand. I don't know how to describe it, but I just do it and it works for me. But when you jig a lot, it'll wear you out pretty quick if you jig with the same hand all day every day, or you know, just if you catch, see how I flip that back.